Next is YG's strategic expansion into new quality productive forces. As part of our forward-looking development strategy, YG has invested in Wuxi Yongxin Ligan technology and Xinwen biopharmaceutical technology. These investments extend our capabilities in adhesive materials and manufacturing into emerging fields such as embodied intelligence and biopharmaceuticals. This reflects YG's commitment not only to deepening its presence in existing industries, but also to creating new growth opportunities through strategic investment and collaborative innovation. Ahead is our new energy solutions. Through application displays in battery systems, battery cells, and charging stations, this area highlights the performance advantages of specialty tapes in insulation, flame retardancy, thermal conductivity, lightweighting, and shock absorption to support the new energy industry. In consumer electronics, we focus on products such as smartphones, tablets, VR devices, and laptops. We showcase the core capabilities of our adhesive materials in high optical clarity, low gaze, strong adhesion, conductive shielding, weather resistance, and precision die cutting. We help make smart devices lighter, thinner, and more reliable. In the smart home sector, YG provides a wide range of bonding solutions for home appliances and other everyday products, integrating advanced materials more seamlessly into daily life.